Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a section with grid in Wix Studio. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to align elements perfectly and maintain consistent spacing throughout your website design. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, click on Website. This will take you to the specific site you want to work on. Now you'll see the website settings displayed on your screen. Before moving forward, take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you wish to create a section with grid. It's always a good idea to double-check you're working on the correct project to avoid any confusion later. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the Wix website editor, where all the creative magic happens. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can build and customize your site's layout. Look for the Add Section option on the left side menu and click on it. You'll be presented with several templates to choose from. Since we're only looking to add grid lines and want maximum visibility, it will be more practical to use a blank one. Select Blank Section from the top part of the list. This gives you a clean canvas to work with and makes the grid lines much easier to see and utilize. Once your section has been added to your page, look for the Tools feature located on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Here, simply toggle the grid lines option to enable it. You'll see the grid lines immediately added to your section, creating that structured layout you need for precise design work. And there you have it, you've successfully created a section with grid in Wix Studio, making it much easier to align your content and create professional-looking layouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.